Hello, how to solve this is x times x times x plus x equals 10, solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So let's multiply this, x times x power 2 times x, this is x power 3 plus x equals 10. Now I can divide this 10 into two parts, 8 and 2. Why did we choose 8 and 2? Because I can easily express 8 as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 power 3. And since we have 3 here at the exponent, we have 3 here, so we can easily combine them. So that means I have x power 3 plus x equals 8 plus 2. I can move each of them over here, and this will give me x power 3 plus x minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. Now, remember, 8 is 2 power 3, so I have x power 3 plus x minus 2 power 3 minus 2 equals 0. This and this can be grouped together. I have x power 3 minus 2 power 3 plus x minus 2 equals 0. Let's expand this. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. And a is x, while b is 2. So, applying that here, I'll have x minus 2 times x squared plus x times 2 plus 2 squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. I have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus x minus 2 equals 0. X minus 2, I can factor that out. I will have x minus 2 times this divides x minus 2. I have x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus x minus 2 divided x minus 2 of 1 equals 0. So I have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Let's solve these individual equations. So I will have x minus 2 equals 0 and x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Now, if x minus 2 equals 0, I can have x equals 2 by moving this over here. This is my x1. This is a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for the other values of x. And this equation is not factorizable, so let's solve using either the completing of squares method or formula method. In this case, we consider formula method, which is this. B squared minus 4 times AC divided by 2a. My a is the coefficient of x squared here, which is 1. My b is the coefficient of x here, which is 2. And my c is 5, which is the constant here. So I'll have x equals negative b, negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared to power 2 minus 4 times a, 1 times c, 5 divided by 2 times a, 2 times 1. From here I have x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus 20. This is divided by 2. So, from here, I have x equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of This is minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, I have x equals negative 2 plus or minus. There's minus here, I have square root of negative 1 times square root of 16 divided by 2. From here, I have x equals negative 2 plus or minus. This is I times square root of 16, that is 4, divided by 2. From here, I have x equals this 1, this 2. Negative 1 plus or minus I times 2. So we have our x2 equals negative 1 plus I times 2, and our x3 equals negative 1 minus I times 2. x2, x2. And don't forget our x1, which is 2. Now, let's go ahead and verify. Our x1 equals 2, x2 equals negative 1 plus I times 2, x3 equals negative 1 minus I times 2. And the equation remains x times x times x plus x equals 10. Let's substitute this for x. So we have, this is 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 equals 10. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, this is 8, plus 2 equals 10. And 8 plus 2, that is 10, equals 10. The left hand side equals the right hand side. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. We have solved this particular equation and we have gotten all values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. You throw a comment on the comment box. I will gladly attend to you and appreciate you. Thank you and goodbye.